In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva to your laptop or computer. So you need to start by heading over to an internet browser and typing in canva.com and hit enter. Now you need to make sure you're signed up for a Canva account. If you don't already have one, then it's completely free to sign up. So once you have your account, click on login in the top right hand side and then go and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then we're going to scroll down and select get the Canva apps. Now from here we can click the download Canva for Windows button and that's going to go and start downloading onto your computer. If you're using Mac or Android, then you can simply click one of these links here. So once the file's downloaded, we need to head over to the downloads folder on your computer. So I'm just going to select downloads from the left hand side, and once you've found this Canva setup file, we're going to right click on it and then select run as administrator. Then you'll just need to wait a couple of seconds while that goes and installs onto your device, and once it's finished, that's going to take us over to the desktop app, and from here we can log into our account via the browser, and then you just need to select yes to confirm the sign in request and press on open Canva. And now just like that, we're able to use Canva from our laptop or computer, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.